When I first started learning photography, I thought my problem was my editing. So I chased cinematic. Turns out, that was the fastest way to stay bad. I was grading photos before I understood them. I was trying to make bad shots feel meaningful. If a photo didn't work, I tried saving it with style. That was my first mistake. Cinematic doesn't fix confusion. Once I stripped the edits back, something very uncomfortable happened. I could see the real issue. The light was terrible. No edit could save it. Good photos weren't about settings. It was about where the light was coming from. Once I saw the light problem, I couldn't unsee it. Then I noticed another pattern. My photos were loud. Too many things, no clear subject. I wasn't composing, I was just pointing. Once I simplified my frame, the photos started making sense. Here's one I didn't expect. Most improvements didn't come from new gear. They came from embarrassment. Missing the shot, stepping closer, trying again. I treated every photo like it had to be perfect. That type of pressure slowed everything down. So I stopped chasing perfect and started repeating. The last mistake was the sneakiest. Same light, same angles. That's when improvement finally showed up. Repetition removed all the pressure. If you're a beginner and photography feels way harder than it should, you're not bad, you don't suck. You're just stacking too many mistakes at once. Fix fewer things at a time, and progress shows up fast.